Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be talking about the PlayStation Vita 3G model and why it's so special. And if you're not familiar with what this model is, it is the first generation PlayStation Vita that was released having the capabilities of 3G service from AT&T. So it had cellular connection, which makes it very special and unique from the rest of the PlayStation Vitas. And that gave you the ability back in the day to continue to play your games wherever you were. You can continue to play your multiplayer game sessions, have that real-time connection and immediately socialize with your friends and unlock trophies as you're playing, so you didn't have to worry about Wi-Fi connection. So the reason why we're talking about this today is because I came across this really cool mod chip, and I saw this video from ModZillaUSA, and I'll have a link to his video in the description down below. But he was showing us how to install this really cool mod chip on your PlayStation Vita 3G. And you're basically removing the 3G chip and replacing it with the PSVSD mod chip. And it has the micro SD card slot, which is pretty cool. And I just purchased one today, and I'll show you a link to where you can purchase one because the old websites are currently not in stock. So yeah, this is a very cool mod chip you can have on your PS Vita 3G, and I highly recommend anyone who has one to buy one right away. These chips are low in stock and limited in quantity, so I would highly suggest getting one right away. And if we go to Sphere Solid, I tried to buy one here on this website, but they were out of stock. This is a very easy mod chip. There's no soldering required. All you have to do is just remove your old 3G chip and insert the mod chip with the micro SD card adapter on it, and you throw in your micro SD card that's correctly formatted for the PS Vita, and you'll have the USB-MC plugin. So it's very easy. You just have to go through the process of tearing down your PS Vita, getting to that chip, and there you go. So I did come across this listing of the PlayStation Vita 1000, and here is where it's located. So you see this white, it's kind of a cream color slot. That's where the 3G chip would be placed, right on top of that little pad there. What's cool about the PlayStation Vita 1000 as well is that you can actually replace your original Wi-Fi model. Let's say you don't have a 3G model, you can actually replace that motherboard with the 3G motherboard. So if you can't come across a PS Vita 1000 with the 3G capability, you can always buy a motherboard and save yourself 50-60 bucks doing that. So you can see how many they have sold. As far as the PlayStation Vita 3G goes for sale on eBay, there's less than 250 available, and some of them are going for crazy price. And there are colors that are very hard to find, like blue and silver. And also white is, you could find a couple of deals here and there, like this one's 115. That's not so bad. So you can buy one for less than 150. And it's not too bad of a price, but if you're looking for inbox, you will have to pay close to like 150 and up. This one's blue. That's a very good color. I really would love to have that in my collection. And I'm wanting to purchase another PS Vita because I did buy the mod chip, and I'm looking forward to doing that mod here soon, but I have to get my hands on a 3G before it gets here, or whenever. I guess sometimes I'm a little impatient with these kind of cool mods. But yeah, very, very unique and very easy to install. And here's the website that I purchased it from, the PSVSD micro SD adapter for the PlayStation Vita 3G, and this is shipping from Mexico. So depending on your location, it might take some time. Under the reviews here, this guy ordered it from the Philippines, and it took him 29 days. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit. So it took him 29 days to deliver from Mexico to Philippines. And it says, works as advertised, has a small LED for SD card activity. The micro SD slot is spring loaded. The kit includes the PSVSD module, and a pair of screws and screwdriver. So this costed me $33 in total with the shipping. So yeah, shipping from United States is $9. And there's the mod chip. Very cool, very unique. So if you do have a PlayStation Vita 3G, I'd jump on this right away. There's only 8 in stock, and this was one of the few websites that had this in stock. I was trying to find another website that carried this. Yeah, let's see. This seller has been removed due to reports of poor quality. Yeah, it's been hard to find other sellers with this, and there's not too many out there. But yeah, here's the video that I first saw this, and this was back in June. And ModZillaUSA, make sure to go check his video out and subscribe. And he does the installation and setup, so you can go check it out. If you already have it and you're wanting to get it set up, make sure to check out his video. This is how I came across it. There's my comment. I got to get the 3G model. So yeah, subscribe to the guy here. So there you have it, guys. That is the PlayStation Vita 3G and why you should pick one up today. Very special model with that beautiful mod chip that we can install and having that extra storage on our PS Vita without using the cartridge slot. And that's what makes it very, very special, is that you don't have to use the cartridge slot and you can continue to play your physical games and even copy those physical games onto your micro SD card. So there you have it, guys. That is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.